Hello, friends. Welcome back to Knowledge World. Today we are going to cover sixth topic here. So, what it is we'll learn later. Like just go through the videos we have made till now. So, what is band sales? I have covered already. If you don't know, so just try to search out that band sales LinkedIn, band sales video on YouTube. Then you will be having the knowledge about that. Or I will try to share the link as well in the description after some time. And other than that, we have covered videos on LinkedIn jobs, LinkedIn email extraction, LinkedIn hotly sharing, LinkedIn groups, LinkedIn prime vendors. Now we are moving to the new topic, that is LinkedIn particular company email ID extraction. So I hope that is something related to that I have taught in the previous video too, but it's still like I'm explaining here again because I got request and people are asking, they are eager to know. So let's go on that, and I'll be going on my LinkedIn as usual. Here I would write down the proper company name, what I want to search. Let's say I want to search the recruiters email IDs of tax systems. So I'll write down taxsystems.com. Here I would try to take at least 1 month, so it helps us to get the fresh data of last 1 month. And then here post should be there, and that's enough. Then we'll be going on this see more option, as I have told previously too. So we'll click on see more section, whatever the post we are getting from the text system. Then as much as we can do, we'll go down and down and down, and then we'll be clicking the see more part. And then as usual, I'll suggest to copy this data till top, from lower to top, and then copy, and then we'll open emailchecker.net. Here we'll put all data, and then we'll click email extract email. Here we will get this much, and then these are the email IDs of that company which we were searching. So hope you understood. If we want to have any company's email IDs which is available on the LinkedIn, and they are posting anytime, so we can have the huge data of that company, or all email addresses, we can fetch whatever is there on the LinkedIn. So always try to search here, and always try to make your data ready for any company, because it is going to be very helpful, not in just van sales. If you are going to try for the business development manager in future, so obviously American companies data is going to help you a lot. You can use for your requirement bringing and all, so those things would come later in my videos. For now, I'm just trying to cover up something related to the van sales. So here van sales people will be contacting to these recruiters anyhow, or you can maintain this data for any another purpose you want to do. So I hope that video is going to be helpful for you. It is going to be helpful, so please subscribe, like, and comment, and help me out to reach as maximum people I can do. I'm trying to help out as maximum as I can. So let's go to the next video. It would be coming soon. And thanks for watching me regularly. Thanks for appreciating a lot in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.